Shooters, welcome back to the Shooters Bay. And on the table today, we got the Walther Creed. The Creed is the value pistol from Walther. It carries an MSRP of anywhere from $3 to $350. Right now, if you go to CDNN Sports, you can grab a Creed for $250 plus $4.95 shipping. At between $3 and $350, this is a good pistol. At $250, this becomes a phenomenal pistol. And we're going to dive into the pistol in just a second. But before we do, I want to show you what you get with the pistol. Okay, it's going to come in a hard box with the Walther branding on it. It's a decent box. It's a flimsy box, but you know, at least it comes in a hard box that you can store it in if you need to. It doesn't come in a cardboard box. Inside the box, you're going to get a chamber flag. It's going to come in a plastic bag, well oiled. Underneath, you're going to have your standard literature and your lock. That's the box. You're going to get two 16-round magazines. These are well-made magazines. Okay, 16 mags. Okay, so we've got that out the way. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Walther Creed. Okay, real quick. 4-inch barrel. Okay. Nice sights, really easy to pick up. You got your Walther branding on the front. You have your front serrations. You have Creed branding on the side. You have more Creed branding right here at the magwell. It has that weird contouring like the like a HK product, like the HKP30. Some people say this look like a high point. I can see where they're coming from, but I think this look leaps and bounds than any high point. But I do see what they mean by it looks like a high point. The high points are just butt ugly, but I'll tell you what, they work. Now back to this. You have a standard 1913 Picatinny rail. It's a hammer-fired gun, but Walther, on their website, says it's a pre-cocked double-action trigger, and it's a really, really nice trigger. It being a Walther, even though it's a value pistol, it being Walther, I didn't expect anything less from the trigger. I didn't expect, because the gun is a little cheaper, that they would cheap out on the trigger, and they didn't. It's a really good trigger. So you got front serrations, back serrations, you got your takedown lever, you got your slot lock, you have your mag release, you got your hidden hammer, I like to call it. Let's go ahead and drop a mag in, check that ejection real quick. So that's really nice, strong ejection. Let's check it upside down. Really nice kick out. Now, the nice thing about the Creed, if for some reason your mag don't come out, it has like a little area where you can grip it and snatch the mag out. So that's awesome. Really nice pistol. Did I mention it is a 4-inch? It's a 4-inch barrel, so it's a bigger pistol. This isn't ideal for concealed carry, but again, if you're the right size person, you can conceal carry this. I wouldn't conceal carry this. I would go with, if you like Walthers and you want good concealed carry, I would go with the PPS. Nice. It's a quality pistol. It feels really good in the hand. It feels well made. There's really no creaks or rattles in it. You would not expect this to be, well, MSRP is between $3 and $350, but again, if you go to CDNN Sports right now, you can grab a Creed for $250. At $250, you cannot go wrong with this pistol. They sell them so well on CDNN, they put a limit of 3 on it. Because gun stores can actually buy these from CDNN and mark them up and make a profit. Make a good profit, because you can get $350 in a brick and mortar store for this all day. Between $3 and $350, and if you pay $250 for it, you're making a good profit. Probably more so than what a mom and pop store would make on it normally. You have your little witness, your little brass window there. You can see if the gun has got a little brass in it. Okay, so we took a look at the Creed. Let's go ahead and field strip the pistol and take a look at the internals. So to strip the Creed, just going to lock the slide back. Now, with the Creed, you don't have to pull the trigger. Just pull your slide lock down. There we go. And all you do is release the slide and pull the trigger, pull the slide right off. No pulling of the trigger necessary. So we put that down. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the frame. Not a whole lot going on in there. Standard stuff. Now, if you look here, this is beautiful. This is no machine marks in here. Really nice. Well put together pistol. Here's your spring and guide rod. And here's your barrel with the Walther branding on it. This is a nice pistol. It really is. For $250, guys, you can't go wrong. Go over to CD&N Sports right now and grab yourself a Creed before that price go back up to that $3,350 mark. But even at that $3,350, it's a great pistol. But for $250, it's just a steal. So let's go ahead and put the pistol back together. All you're going to do is reverse the order. Slide your barrel back in. Put your spring in. Slide it back on. Lock it up. Now, here's your takedown lever. I mean, your takedown lever. Jeez. Just hit it. And it kind of locks itself back into place. And let's go ahead and do a function test. Perfect. We're back in business. So let's go ahead and take a look at the trigger pull on this guy. So we're going to go ahead. Trigger is nice. Got a little bit of take up right there. Brake. I mean, the brake came a little bit sooner than I thought. I didn't think the brake was going to come that quick. It's got a mean brake on it, guys. For the money, this trigger is dead on. So let's go ahead and check that reset. Long. There it is right there. That's your reset. So not bad. I mean, really not bad. This is an awesome, awesome gun. $250. Guys, look, let me tell you. You're getting two 16-round magazines. You're getting a nice full-size pistol. It is a little top-heavy. I will tell you this, guys. It is a little top-heavy when you compare it to something like the Canik TP9. And I think these two are in direct competition with each other. I'm going to do a comparison on the two in a little bit. But for the money, at $300 to $350, it's a good buy. I mean, I would definitely even buy it at that price. Not a problem. But for $250, man, look. Go check this out, guys. This is a Shooter's Bay special right here. This is one of them CUDA deal alerts. Go check out a Creed, CD&N Sports. Again, thanks for supporting the Bay. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys.